In Sichuan and Shanxi, farmers raced to cover their fields, their crops at risk of freezing overnight. Rice, corn, and vegetables, everything had to be saved before the cold devoured it. In Xinjiang, the first snow came even earlier, on October 21st. Cities like Altai and Urumqi disappeared beneath white skies. Grapes and cotton, still waiting for harvest, froze before they could be gathered. Farmers said the snow arrived without mercy. For some, it was not a season, it was a disaster.